Hello, hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Talkie English Practice, the warm place where English feels easy, friendly, and fun.
Yes, if you want to speak English about your daily routine, today is your perfect day.
Quick question for you. What time do you wake up every morning? Think about it. We'll ask you again later.
And today we promise you something big. By the end of this episode, you will speak confidently about your daily routine, even if you are a beginner.
If you want more easy English podcasts, hit that subscribe button. Now, let's start our day together.
7 a.m. So, Natalia, what time did you wake up today?
Today I woke up at 7:30 a.m. I needed extra sleep. My bed felt like a warm hug.
Haha, same. I woke up at 6:45 a.m., but I pressed the snooze button. Twice.
Twice? Tyler, that is not waking up. That is negotiating with the alarm clock.
It was a very serious negotiation. But anyway, mornings are busy. I wake up, stretch, wash my face, and make my coffee.
Coffee is your best friend.
Coffee is my only friend in the morning. Except you, of course.
Aw, thank you. So today's topic is daily routine, talking about your day from morning to night. And this is super useful for A1 to A2 English learners. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast.
Yes! After today, you'll know how to say sentences like, I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I go to school, work. I eat dinner at home. And more.
Ready? Let's go into the main story.
Imagine a warm morning. The sun is just waking up. The sky is soft and golden. And inside a small apartment, Natalia starts her day.
Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. My alarm goes beep, 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 very loud, very annoying. I open my eyes slowly and think, do I really have to get up? But yes, I must. I sit on my bed, stretch my arms, and take a deep breath. The room is quiet. The air feels cool. This is my little calm moment before my busy day starts. Then I make my bed because it helps me feel organized.
You always make your bed? Every day?
Yes, it makes me feel like a responsible adult.
I only make my bed when people visit my apartment.
Tyler! Anyway, after that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and sometimes I listen to music. A happy song makes my morning brighter. I brush my teeth every morning. Then I go to the kitchen. My kitchen is small, but cozy. I always start with a big cup of tea. Sometimes green tea, sometimes mint tea, because I'm classy.
Classy? You? Yesterday you ate cereal straight from the box.
Hey, don't expose me like that in public. But yes, sometimes I eat cereal. Sometimes eggs. Sometimes toast. But I always eat breakfast. Breakfast gives me energy.
Good for you. I usually drink coffee and hope for the best. So my day is a little different. I wake up around 6:45 a.m. I always feel sleepy. My brain says, let's sleep more. But my alarm says, get up now. I sit on the edge of the bed, check my phone, and scroll for a minute. Not too long, or I'll be late. Then I take a shower. Hot water helps me wake up. I think about my plans for the day while I shampoo my hair. Then I put on comfortable clothes. I like simple outfits. Jeans, hoodie, sneakers. Classic Tyler style.
Yes, your style is, I woke up and chose comfort.
Exactly. Then, the most important part, I make coffee. Coffee smells warm and strong. I love that smell. I drink 1 cup, sometimes 2. Coffee equals drink from roasted beans. After that, I eat something small, maybe a banana or a yogurt. Then I leave the house at 8 a.m.
Okay, you watching. What do you do first in the morning? Do you drink tea? Coffee? Juice? Tell us in the comments.
When I leave the house, I walk to the bus stop. The morning air is cool. I see people with backpacks, headphones, sleepy faces.
A typical morning world.
Yes. My bus arrives at 8:10. I sit near the window, put on my headphones, and listen to podcasts. Sometimes English podcasts, sometimes music. Sometimes I just watch people on the street.
I walk to work. It takes about 15 minutes. I like walking because it makes me feel fresh and ready. The streets are quiet in the morning. I see bakeries opening. I smell warm bread. I see people walking their dogs. It's like a little morning movie.
At work, I start by checking emails. Then I plan my tasks. I drink another cup of coffee. My brain needs it.
I understand. At my job, I talk to many people. I help organize things. I write messages. I attend meetings. Sometimes it's busy. Sometimes it's calm. But every day is different. And that makes it fun.
What about lunch? My lunch is very simple. A sandwich, a salad, or leftovers.
I usually have soup or pasta. Lunch is my happy time.
Food is your love language.
Absolutely.
The day continues. Meetings finish. Tasks end. The sun goes down.
After work, I sometimes go to the gym. Not every day, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I do simple exercises, running, stretching, light weights. It helps me relax.
I don't go to the gym. I go home and cook. I love cooking. The kitchen is my happy place. The smell of garlic and onions makes me smile.
Your cooking is amazing. Your kitchen is small but magical.
Thank you. After dinner, I watch a show or read a book. I like slow evenings.
Same. I sometimes play games or talk with friends online.
My night routine is simple. I take a shower, I brush my teeth, I prepare my clothes for the next day. Then I sit in bed and think about 3 good things that happened.
That's cute.
It helps me sleep with a happy mind.
I just fall into bed like a potato.
A sleepy potato.
Exactly.
And this is a simple daily routine. Morning, afternoon, and night. All in easy English to help you describe your own day confidently.
Okay, it's time for a quick vocabulary break. We will learn 10 useful daily routine words. These words help you describe your day clearly in English.
We'll give you the meaning and an easy example sentence. Speak with us. Repeat with us.
1. Wake up. Meaning, stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. 2. Get ready. Meaning, prepare for the day. Wash, dress, brush teeth. Example, I get ready before school. 3. Commute. Meaning, travel from home to work or school. Example, I commute by bus every morning. 4. Have breakfast. Meaning, eat your first meal of the day. Example, I have breakfast at home. 5. Start work. Start school. Meaning, begin your job or classes. Example, I start work at 9 o'clock. 6. Take a break. Meaning, stop for a short rest. Example, I take a break at 10 o'clock. I take a break at 11. 7. Finish work. Finish school. Meaning, end your job or classes. Example, I finish work at 5. 8. Cook dinner. Meaning, make dinner. Example, I cook dinner for my family. 9. Relax. Meaning, rest your body or mind. Example, I relax after a long day. 10. Go to bed. Meaning, lie down to sleep. Example, I go to bed at 10:30. If you learned these words, you can talk about your day clearly in English.
Yes, use them every day. English grows when you use it, just like a plant.
Practice time. Now it's time to practice. Let's do 3 small exercises together. You can speak out loud, repeat after us, or write your answers in the comments.
Exercise 1. Repeat after me. Repeat slowly and clearly. I wake up at 7. I get ready for the day. I go to work by bus. I eat lunch at 1. I relax in the evening. I go to bed at 10. Great! Your pronunciation is improving already. Let's continue.
I will give you a question with 2 options. Say A or B. Question 1. I at 7 o'clock. A. Wake up. B. Cook dinner. Question 2. I to school by train. A. Commute. B. Sleep. Question 3. In the morning, my teeth. A. Brush. B. Watch. Question 4. At 6 p.m., my day. A. Start. B. Finish. Question 5. Before sleeping, A. Go to bed. B. Have breakfast. Great job! If you answered correctly, amazing! If you made mistakes, that's how you learn.
Now talk about yourself. Say 3 sentences about your daily routine. You can use these patterns. I wake up at. I go to. By. I eat lunch at. In the evening I go to bed at. Speak out loud or write it in the comments. Practicing your own routine helps the vocabulary become yours.
Let's imagine a small, warm story about a person learning English. Maybe someone like you. Her name is Lena. She lives in a small bedroom with a big window looking at the street. Every morning, sunlight enters slowly, painting the wall gold. One morning, Lena wakes up at 6:50 a.m. She hears the alarm. She presses the button. She wants 5 more minutes. We all know that feeling. But she remembers something important. She wants to improve her English. She wants to build a better future. So she sits up and says to herself, I will try today. Even if I am tired, I will try. She stretches her arms and stands up. She opens her window. Cool air touches her face. The world is quiet. Lena makes tea. The smell is warm and soft. She likes this peaceful moment. She thinks about her routine. I wake up. I drink tea. I walk to the bus. I go to work. But today she tries something new. She speaks her routine in English. I wake up at 6:50. I wash my face. I get ready for work. I take the bus. I start work at 9. Her voice is quiet, but she feels proud. Every sentence feels like a small step forward. On the bus, she listens to an English podcast. She doesn't understand everything. Maybe she understands 20%, maybe 30%. But she continues, little by little, word by word. After work, she goes home feeling tired, but good tired. The kind of tired you feel when you grow. Before bed, she repeats 5 more sentences. She thinks, if I keep going, every day, I will become confident. And that night, she sleeps with a small smile, because she did something amazing. She tried.
Wow, today we learned so much. Let's quickly remember the most important points. Top 5 things you learned today. 1. How to talk about your daily routine in simple English. I wake up at, I go to work by, I relax in the evening. 2. 10 helpful vocabulary words. You can now talk about your day clearly. 3. How to describe your morning, afternoon, and night, from waking up to finishing your day. 4. How to practice speaking. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Practice makes progress. 5. A story that shows English learning is a daily habit. A little every day makes a big change.
You did amazing today. You are learning English slowly, clearly, with confidence. We are proud of you. Yes, you.
Okay, English family, here is your big question. Describe your daily routine in 5 sentences. Tell us in the comments. What time do you wake up? How do you go to school or work? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening? What time do you sleep? We read every comment, and we love learning about your life.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. You are part of the Talkie English Practice family, and we are always happy to learn with you.
Come back tomorrow. Come back next week. We are always here. Together, your English grows.
See you soon. Bye.